Skyler 1640 here, another video. Now, it's been a while since I left off on my previous video. Let's put this bad boy over. Some stuff I've done. If I can. Oh, this thing is heavy as a, or, oh, well, you can see new flat idler pulley, and another pulley right there has a belt keeper. Down right there has a custom belt keeper, which I just bolted on a threaded bolt. It ain't gonna hurt her too bad. You see up there it rubs a little bit up there. Let's go on the ride, guys. Oops. On a ride. I've used this thing like nothing. Like it's a freaking car. Fired up. Guys, hope y'all enjoy the ride. Man, this thing is a blast. Can't wait. If I ever... Man, I wish Fearless Front was here in America. Or, I wish Fearless Front was here in my state. So we can go on a rump, you know? I feel a transmission pulley. Man, this trench is overheating. I can tell by it, because it's so hot, it burns my hands. It's hot! Gosh. Maybe the tension needs to be adjusted. Spicer Dynamark transmission is doing okay. We'll see how long she holds up. Bye guys, Scar 1640 out. See you on the next rump. Okay? Bye guys. Let me show y'all something that's just gonna break this one. Some kind of spring. Spring is on it. You guys can see. The pivot point of the spring is supposed to break, so this lawnmower is not getting the proper belt tension when it's engaged. So the pivot point is fisting to break. That ain't good. It was not good, guys. We could not be romping very much anymore. I greased up the shifter, so it'll do more better. Greased it up with that purple oil stuff. This stuff is good stuff. Flip back over the lawnmower. Drop my phone. That stuff works good, that purple oil. Works very well. So, bye guys. See you on the next video.